Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see what are computer peripherals. What do you mean by computer peripherals? So start. Computer peripherals. Computer peripherals are the devices which are connected with the computer to complete the other operations like data and instructions input, result generation, data storage, etc. What is input devices? The devices which helps us to enter data and instruction into the computer are called input devices. Commonly used input devices are keyboards, scanner, mouse, touch screen, touchpad or trackpad, joystick and gaming pad, web camera, microphone. What is output devices? The peripheral devices which are used to show the entered data or processed information by the computer are called output data devices. Monitor, printer, speaker, plotter are some of the output devices. Keyboard, mouse, joysticks, gaming pad, microphone, scanner are some of the commonly used input devices. Touchpad, web camera, they all are input devices. Now keyboard, the input device is used to enter data and instruction using more than 100 button present on it. Mouse, the device which is used for pointing and clicking the objects. Joystick and gaming pad, these input devices are used to play games on the computer as it controls the movement of the objects on the screen. Microphone, it is used to give sound input to the computer system. Scanner, it is used to store images, pictures, diagrams, etc. into the computer system. It works like photocopier machine. Touchpad, this is also pointing device having a specific surface which can sense the movement of figure, commonly used in laptops and notebook computers. Web camera, the device which is used to capture images and videos in the computer system. Now commonly used output devices are monitor, most common output device like TV, also known as VDU, visual display unit, gives soft output. Two types of monitor are LCD and CRT monitor. Now second is printer, output device to get hard output on paper. Three types of printers are inkjet printer, dot matrix printer and laser printer. Speakers, to generate audio output for playing sound or music, comes in pairs, left right speaker with or without woofer. Two types of based on connection, wired speaker, wireless speakers. Plotter, for printing drawings, photographs, images from computer, high-end quality output used by engineers and architects. This is the plotter. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe.